Video conferencing. Let's learn to describe and use video conferencing. Chatting on the internet allows people to send instant text messages to each other at real time. But do you know that they can also talk and see one another while they talk using computer networks to transmit audio and video data? This is called video conferencing, and it allows participants who are geographically apart to conduct a conference. As the participants speak to one another, their voices are carried over the network and delivered to the other participants' computers where they can be heard on the speakers. And whatever images appear in front of their video cameras appear in a window on the other participants' monitors. The basic components that are required at the sender's and receiver's end to conduct a video conference are a camera to capture the images, a monitor to view these images, a microphone to capture the sound, speakers to play the captured sounds, and a coder-decoder, also known as codec, to compress and decompress the video and audio data so that it can be sent over the internet. In addition to these components, video conferencing software such as See You, See Me, Skype, or Microsoft NetMeeting also needs to be installed. Let's set up a video conference using Skype. Start the software by clicking on Start. Click Skype. This is the Skype startup screen. Click on Create an account if you do not have a Skype or Microsoft account. If you have either, then click on the appropriate button. And in the corresponding login window that appears, type your account name and password. Once the account name and password are verified to be correct, you're logged into Skype and the Skype window opens up. In the list of contacts on the left, double-click the name of the friend you want to call. Your friend's profile now appears in a new window, and below their picture is a series of buttons. The video call button allows you to start talking to your friend face-to-face through your webcam. Click on it, and just like when you make a phone call, you'll hear a ringing sound while Skype attempts to get in touch with your friend's computer. When your friend answers the call, and if he or she has a webcam, they will appear on your computer screen as a video stream. You can now start talking as if your friend were in front of you. Once you're finished talking, you can hang up by clicking on the red handset icon to end the call. The plus sign button is used to add participants to the call and send files and other information to them. You can call multiple people at the same time, making it a conference call by clicking on each of your friends to select them and then select Add People to include them in the call. Video conferencing is a very useful means of communication as it saves the time and expense of travel. We have learned that conducting a conference between two or more participants who are geographically apart by using computer networks to transmit audio and video data is called video conferencing.